Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy using Harina only way. Start by measuring 2 tablespoons of Harina and 2 cups of warm stock. Melt 2 tablespoons of fat or butter in a saucepan, then add the Harina and toast gently until aromatic. Whisk in stock gradually to avoid lumps, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook until the gravy thickens. Season to taste and stir in butter at the end for gloss and richness. Begin by heating fat and adding the Harina, stirring constantly to form a roux. Keep the heat medium so the Harina browns but does not burn, which takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly pour in warm stock while whisking vigorously to prevent lumps and create a silky texture. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, tasting and adjusting seasoning, then finish with a small pat of butter for sheen. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker added fun kitchen tunes while I tested this gravy, and it fits nicely in tight counter spaces. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For variations, swap part of the stock for milk to make a creamier gravy, or use all stock for a richer flavor. If you need thicker gravy, reduce the liquid or add 1 additional tablespoon of Harina, stirring well. Fresh herbs or a small splash of soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce can boost umami, while roasted garlic adds sweetness. Taste frequently and adjust salt and pepper until balanced and comforting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.